Start by placing the chopped potato in 200 milliliters of water into a blender. Blend thoroughly, then strain the mixture and set aside. Next, pour 50 milliliters of strained potato mixture into 2 beakers and set them aside as well. This will be done for you. Now, using the hole puncher, cut out 10 discs from filter paper. Label your test tubes from 1 to 10, and using a ruler, measure 5 centimeters from the bottom of each test tube, marking the spot with a Sharpie. We'll now use a pipette to fill each test tube with hydrogen peroxide up to the Sharpie mark. Repeat this process for all tubes 1 through 10 and set them aside. Before we begin the experiment, check the temperature of the potato mixture at room temperature. It should be around 23 degrees Celsius. Let's start by testing the temperature below room temperature. Place 1 beaker in an ice bath and submerge a thermometer in the solution. Once the temperature reaches 20 degrees Celsius, use forceps to pick up a filter paper disc, dip it into the potato mixture, and drop it into the test tube 3. As soon as the disc reaches the bottom, start the timer and stop it when the disc floats to the surface. Repeat this process for temperatures 15 degrees Celsius and 10 degrees Celsius. Now we'll test the temperatures above room temperature. First, plug in the hot plate and attach the thermometer to the ring stand. Adjust the clamp so that the thermometer is suspended without touching the bottom of the beaker, allowing you to swirl the solution freely. Turn on the hot plate to a low setting, around 2 to 3, depending on your equipment. Once the temperature reaches 25 degrees Celsius, use forceps to dip another paper disc into the potato mixture and drop it into the test tube 4. Record the time it takes for the disc to float. Repeat this process for temperatures ranging from 30 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius.